Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. This is the 12 gig of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Got home from work and it was sitting on the dining room table. So I'm super stoked to have it here and share the unboxing with all of you. And hopefully throughout the reviewing process, I'll be able to give you something as far as information that you're looking for to help make a decision on whether this is a smartphone for you or not. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Got a picture there of the 3A Pro. That's nice. All right, we're going to have to. Pulling this little tab off releases this area so I can open it. Okay, well, that's unusual. So then we can get on the inside of this very nice presentation. Go ahead and put that right there. You have this embossed design on the top of the packaging here, which gives the whole unboxing experience a little extra some. Yeah, I'm digging that.
All right, so let's take out the phone, put that there, and on the inside, you're going to get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Got your manual, your Nothing manual, and here, got your SIM key. Look at that. That's cool. Put that over there, and that's it, folks.
Let's get to the phone here. Oh my goodness, look at that. That right there is just simply bold. That is tough. Wow. That looks way better in real life. Look at that camera island. That is just bam. There's no missing that. You got this matte finish on the aluminum frame, which I really, really like that. Got that going on all the way around that camera island as well. Just looking underneath that glass back at all of that. Wow. That is just, yeah, it's sexy too. It's very sexy. Your SIM tray there, a mic, USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill. Up top, you have your mic, top mic, which means right in there, you're going to have your earpiece doubling up with the top speaker there. I love this design choice. Power button on the right-hand side, volume rocker on the left-hand side. I love them separated. I wish that I would see that in design on a lot of other smartphones. Yeah, I am digging that. Let's see if we have any juice. .77-inch OLED display at 1080p. I'm sure it's going to be vivid and sharp, but I'm going to let you know through the reviewing process. You're going to have IP64 dust and water resistant. If you're taking a shower, you get a phone call or a text, and you pick up the phone, there's water all over your hand, maybe a little water shooting out from the shower, you're okay. But no, you cannot go diving into a swimming pool, lake, or the ocean with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Android 15, up to 3 major Android upgrades. You got Nothing OS 3.1, light skin over the top of stock Android. You got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. Now, there are other choices as far as what you get with RAM and the memory on your Nothing Phone 3A Pro. This is the 12 gig of RAM, 256 gigs of memory. You can get the 128 gig of memory, 8 gig of RAM, or 256 gigs of memory with 8 gig of RAM. But I wanted the best. I wanted the most. 50 megapixel camera on the back, regular wide. You're going to have a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and you're going to have an 8 megapixel ultra wide at 120-degree field of view. You will be able to shoot video at 4K 30, 1080p, 3060 at 120 frames per second. You do have optical image stabilization. As far as the selfie camera on the front, a 50 megapixel shooter with 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 30 frames per second. And I think that's it for the specs. If there's anything that I missed, please ask down below in the comment section. Just love looking at those internals on the back there. So what I'm going to do is, let me check something really quick. There is a screen protector already pre-installed, so that is good to see. I did bring in an inexpensive case that I got over at Amazon. It actually comes with a tempered glass screen protector, but since there's already a pre-installed film screen protector, I'm not going to take that off. But I am going to need protection. Got some good flex going on here. I'll leave a link for this case down below in the description area. Oh, wow, look at that. I'm sure they're plastic, but they look like they're shiny aluminum metal. But that's a nice touch to those areas and the volume rocker as well. That little bit of extra some. TPU material, hard plastic see-through, clear back. Going to have plenty of protection for that camera island. All right. Very simple to put in. Plenty of lip, plenty of depth all the way around. You hear that? And there's your volume rocker. At the bottom, cut out for the speaker grill, cut out for the USB Type-C charging port, cut out for the bottom mic. Try to make sure that that's aligned. Yeah, I guess it is. There's a little bit of a shadow there, so it's hard to see. Up top, and it's not perfectly aligned, but it's good enough. It's got these little air bubbles within the corner areas to help with shock absorption. Plenty of lip surrounding the OLED display. That's good to see. A lot of lip here. Setting down on a flat surface, there's going to be a little bit of an angle there, so the surface isn't really going to be touching the camera area. And I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to purchase a camera glass lens protector over at Amazon for those of you that are really rough with your smartphones. Just a little bit of rocking, not too much. Not too much. Sitting down this way, flat surface, a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. Yeah, if you're going to sit down on a really rough surface, I would probably sport a glass protector instead of a film protector. Yeah, that is nice. I feel so much better having protection for my investment. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to go set this puppy up. Before I end the video, I want to go to glyph interface. Glyph lights is on. Music visualization, give life to the party, that is on. I'm going to power amp, and I'm going to pick something here. And yes, I'm going to use this tool here for my notifications. And with that, thank you so much for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. And those speakers sound great. God bless you all. I am out.